So I just got home from
Magnificent 7 Monday. Number
Home
6.
Depot to buy a couple new patio chairs, if you will. I gotta take them out, bring them to our backyard, and get them set up. Between you and me, the people that we bought the house from, or the lady, she left us their old outside furniture, but it's like old and worn. And I mean, it's good to start with, but the chairs are so uncomfortable for me. So I decided to get these cheap ones for now from Home Depot until we get a whole new set. For now, this is what I got. They were like almost $40 each, so I only got two. And I'm gonna show you. I'll have to come back for my water. Oh, look, there's a bunny in the window. How much is that bunny in the window? She's on her Menzies, so she's acting a little crazy lately. So yeah, this is the new chairs. Or these are the new chairs. I accidentally scratched my car putting one in. I'm pissed. I'm gonna set them against my garage door for now. Alright, cool. This one did it. What a bitch. So these are my new chairs. They're from Style, well, whatever that is. And I'm gonna. Hey, Daniel got these new stones. He added the blue and the green ones. They look so pretty. And that's our lavender. I was gonna get more, but this is good for now. It's actually not that warm out. Yeah, these were from a tree they chopped down for us. Because it was hitting that electrical pole and it may or may not make a difference. And I was like, yeah, go ahead and take it. I don't chew. Yeah, I didn't mind. I'm like, especially because I work from home. You know? Oh my god, this looks so good this morning, and I took it out to put it here by itself, and it just like doesn't look good right now. What's up? I don't know if I need a scissor or not. It's cold out, but I'm gonna try to do this here for now. Set my phone up somewhere. Hopefully you could see me. Alright, so there's from Style, well, from Home Depot. I know my head's not visible right now. Very easy to do. I don't have my scissors or a knife with me, but I hope Daniel's not mad. But I told him I wanted them. So, for now, I only got two though. That table needs to be cleaned desperately, but we're gonna wait. It's covered in pollen. We're waiting for a nice day. It was warmer earlier. Alright, so yeah, it's comfortable. It's pretty comfortable. I mean, it's comfortable for a patio chair, you you know, sit out for a little bit for now. You know, it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. So I'm gonna put this back. I'm not gonna put it back. I'm gonna put it over here somewhere. And I'll probably move one of those chairs. Well, two of them. And replace the seats with these two guys. I gotta take this stuff out. Alright, so okay. This one is like this. I'm lost in my own backyard. Alright, so I got the other chair. It's nice having things that are already assembled. Yeah. So, caution, this product is not intended for commercial use and will void the warranty. Really? What warranty? Thank God this isn't a business. I work from home now. I have a business really. Here, on my YouTube. Alright, I'm gonna throw these in the trash. These things. Somehow. Yeah, and then I got. So this is one of the chairs, the last one that I did. I mean, I just had to take the hand things off. Yeah, I'm gonna move one of the chairs away and put them down. Well, I didn't put the garbage in garbage. I just literally put it in the pail. Alright, so this one's the closest one. So... okay. Like, I always look for feathers, and I haven't found any feathers lately. I found one, I think. One or two. One. So far this season. Last summer there were so many feathers in our backyard because we get a lot of birds. But they don't leave me their feathers. Alright, so I'm gonna put these here. So I guess they're opposite of each other. Ow. That thing was in my way. I hurt my ankle. I had a boo-boo. Alright, see how I did it? I just like left the chairs here for now. Those are the old chairs, that's the old table. It just needs to be washed. When it's clean, some nice Dawn dish soap and some water, you know, hose it down and scrub it a little. It sparkles. I'm not even kidding. The first time I cleaned this back here like that, it was sparkling. It was nice and crystal clear and sparkly. It was gorgeous. I was so mesmerized by how beautiful it was. Yeah, true story. And it was so beautiful. But not right now. Should do it before or after. I might. Yeah, Daniel put a fence around our strawberries in the garden. And we had like more strawberries there, but... oh, the wildflowers are growing. Look at the orange flowers. Aren't they so pretty? I don't know what he's doing with that mess. I guess he didn't finish. And then that fence there is the strawberries that he fenced. And these are these yellow things that are coming out there. That's kale. Believe it or not. Amazeballs, right? And there's another one over there. They're coming back from last summer. Amazeballs. That's what I say about them. And he actually planted herbs out of the the pig and the doggy. I'm gonna wait and see how those do. And that's my sister's windmill. He's in the process of amping it up for her. She threw it in the trash. My grandma gave it to him and said, Daniel, can you bring this back to life? Jenna threw it away. And that's my bedroom. That's me and my bedroom. Can you bring this back to life? Can you bring it back to life? That's our new AC unit. Brought to you by Miss Truly. Oh, the lavender smells nice. We got fresh lavender. I told you I was gonna get more at Home Depot because they had a bunch of them. Saying, buy me. For those of you who have made it to the end of the video, Bunny says thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Lulu's World. Thanks.